So let's start adding some fields into our home page model. So delete pass, and you can add fields that are standard with any Django model. It supports anything any fields from models dot whatever. So we're going to say description equals models dot char field. We'll define a max length equal to, let's say, I don't know, 255. And just to make it easier during development, sometimes I like to do blank equals true, null equals true. Okay, so now we have a description. Let's go into our command prompt and run make migrations. Then we'll migrate. We will now run the server and go back into our admin. Let's refresh this, go into homepage new, and we don't see anything different. So in Wagtail, this is very, very important to remember. This may cause you some frustration. You will now be able to access the description field in your Django Wagtail environment, but on the admin side, you will actually need to create a panel that makes it so you can edit it in the admin side. So that is done by defining your content underscore panels. Okay, now this is going to be a list of all the panels that you want in your Wagtail admin. Okay, so we're going to say field panel, and we'll learn what that is. And in quotes, it's going to be the name of the field. Okay, so field panel is actually another object in Wagtail. So you're going to say from Wagtail dot admin dot edit underscore handlers. Okay, import field panel. And now you'll be able to use this field panel, and this will now create a new panel in your admin for your description. So let's refresh, and now we have our description. But our actual title went away, and this is because we've just overwritten whatever the content panels are for page. Okay, so if we go in here and say page.content panels plus any new ones we want. So we're getting the content panels that are from page, just the base page, and we're going to add or append any new field panels that we want in it. Okay, so now that we save, we can refresh, and we have our title and our description. Okay, is a new description field. We're going to publish it. We go over here, and remember, we didn't change anything. Okay, so we can go back into Atom, into our home page. I'm going to say page.description. Save that, refresh, and here we go. Now it pops up. We have our home new page, which is the title, and then this is our description. Okay, so let's start adding a little bit of styling. We'll say, let's just do a header one. And then we'll do P. All right, there you go. And let's do one more thing. Let's say we wanted to actually change this to a call to action. So we typically won't have a description in our home page. We'll say call to action. We're going to say call to action. So we didn't change anything but the name of the field. So we're going to have to migrate again. Python manage.py make migrations. Yes. Python manage.py migrate. And then if you don't know this, if you click up, it'll just go to a previous command. Let's go into our admin, refresh, edit, and call to action. Okay, and notice how it styles it. It sees underscores, and we'll turn them into spaces. Okay, so that's the beginning into understanding fields and then how you can make those fields editable in the admin. Let's keep on going.